welcome back to day 4 of this vlog in which we are going to Sonmarg, and currently we are in the Shikara ride, which is said to be 1 hour, but let's see. So we have come out from the houseboat. It was a nice experience, but the electricity was gone the whole night, and this is the view from the Shikara boat. So guys, we are in the tempo traveler and we are proceeding towards Sonmarg. I'm very excited because here also it's horse riding and I love horse riding. So guys, we are here at the place and we are discussing about the rates of the horse and the cab and all. We are discussing the rates. So guys, now we came up the Sonmarg and we ate Pahadi Maggi, which was okay, and then we did the sledging over that glacier thing, but I fell 3 to 4 times or 2 to 3 times, so I couldn't record it, but my brother has recorded it. I'll put that clip over here, and in the next video you'll see us going down. So guys, we are in the hotel called Victory Inn. are finally in the room, and the room number is 305. So let me give you a small room tour. So there's an image of Kashmiri weaving of old days here, and there is this switchboard and two small sofa kind of chairs, table, and one king size bed, you can call it, and phone number for reception and all those stuff. And then we've got a big Samsung TV, and of course you get this tea and coffee maker and boiler, etc. And then you have a cupboard here and a mirror, and then we've got this cool thing, heater, room heater, so you can set everything more cool and hot, and fan speed low, medium, high, and temperature down or less. The best part is it goes up to 5 degrees Celsius. I mean, no one uses it, but 5 degrees Celsius. In our home, the AC goes up to 16. That's it. And anyways, this is the bathroom. Clean. So I'll meet you after some time, after taking some rest. I'll see you later. Bye. So guys, this is the last video and the last part of the Kashmir series. Tomorrow morning we are going to the airport to go to Delhi. So I won't cover that. I won't cover it in the Kashmir vlog because there's nothing else to show in Kashmir. So you will see Delhi vlog part 1. In which tomorrow we will go to Delhi. So thanks for watching this vlog series. Hope you enjoyed it, and the Delhi vlog series will come soon. Thank you.